Hindi na, sir. May lalabas yan mamaya kung okay. Is the time correct? Correct ba? Anong time natin? Anong time natin? Sir?
Advance, no?
Advance. So yung minus natin. Okay, mag-no tayo.
No.
Sige. Sige, ito na correct. No. Ang year natin tama yun.
Tama yun.
Dan. Check yun. Okay, Dan. Sa oras lang tayo. Sige. Okay. Set month. Tama. Dan. Set day. Tama. Ito na yun. Set hour.
Tama yung
Minus
yung minute
sa minute. Magbawas tayo. Anong time na, sir? 17. Right. Ilan po? Yan. Tama na siguro, 17 na siguro. Pwede na yan. Sige, 15 mo.
15 na lang.
Ayan.
Done.
Done. Election files are verified. Okay. The main menu will be displayed. Lalabas yung main menu. Ngayon, the IT, open voting condominium. Saan ba yung certified IT member? Okay, ganun tayo na yan. Okay, ask the pen. Okay. Select open voting. Open voting na tayo. Kasi nandito na, select open voting condominium. The vehicle shall then. Open voting na tayo. Pen. Ask for the pen of the fourth clerk. Okay. Ako muna. Marami ito. Hindi. 3, 7, 5, 0, 3, 6. Second. Sa second pen from the third member. Okay, initialize, okay. Estimates has been accepted. Display two options, initialize vote counter under the screen. Please initialize vote counters open to the vehicles. Okay, mag-initialize na tayo para malaman natin kung wala talagang problema yan. Please. Okay. Display the next. Have been reserved. Okay. Okay, display message result have been zeroed. Then automatically print the initial reports 0. Yan, print na yan. Automatic yan. Okay, after printing the initialization report, the vehicles will display the message. Would you like to print more copies of this? Yeah. Would you like to print more copies of the 0 to 8 with a yes or no option? Press no. The vehicles will display the message. Please insert ballot now. The vehicles is ready to accept. Magnuno pa.
Morning po. Good morning. Okay na po?
Sinunod namin yung instruction.
May ano lang po, please.
Sige.
Salamat. Balik na po kami.
Okay, would you like to, ayun na, would you like to print more copies of the original? No. Ayan. Then, ayan na. Yes. Kakat na ito, insert the ballot. The chairman shall place the report inside the envelope. Diretso na yun. Okay na tayo. Pwede na tayo.
So ito na ang ready na niya yung ready na tong machine na to.
Yan. Tingin na. Tingin po. Tingin. Sir, ilagay ito sir sa ano? Sa CEF 18A. Ay, A18 sir.
Ating ano muna, isil muna natin yung itong machine. Ay,